Welcome dear students to class 3 Maths, chapter 3 addition of numbers. And we have already completed exercise 3.4 and given some homeworks also. I hope you are done. It was too easy. Okay, we have today a new topic. Topic name is problems on addition. Students, what is the problems on addition? In your previous class, you have already studied problems on addition. That was 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers like that. And today we are going to study problems on addition 4-digit numbers. We are going to do some problems and we are going to do some addition, or we are going to do addition of 4-digit numbers. Okay, let us start. Let us take an example. That example is there in your textbook. You all of you take page number 33. Problems on addition. Here example is there. In a shop, the sale in the first week was rupees 2,593. And the sale in the second week was rupees 4,398. What was the total sale in these 2 weeks? Students, let us do this and let us study how to do addition or how to do problems in addition or problems on addition. Okay. For this, first what we have to do? First we will do, or first we will read the question carefully. पहले हम एक क्वेश्चन रीड करना है अच्छा से, इसके बाद हमको समझ में आएगा कैसे ऐड करेगा इस नंबर्स. Here you can see the first sentence. In a shop, the sale in the first week was rupees 2,593 and the sale in the second week was rupees 4,398. So let us start doing. इस क्वेश्चन में पहले हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इधर ऑलरेडी लिखा है सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक एंड सेल इन द सेकेंड वीक. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक. सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक. सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक. ओके, व्हाट इज द सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक? रुपीज 2,593. And what is the next step? What is the second step? We will write sale in the second week. Sale in the first week is equal to rupees 2,593, and what is the sale in the second week? That is 4,398. समझे यार? इधर क्या है हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप? क्या है? पहले हम क्या लिखना है? सेल इन द फर्स्ट वीक लिखना है. इसके बाद सेकेंड स्टेप सेल इन द second week. Then what is the next step? We have to add these two numbers, or we have to add this money together. So what is our solution? That solution will be the answer of these two numbers, or the addition or the result of these two numbers. That will be the solution. Understood? So what is the next step? Next step क्या है? Total sale. Total sale is equal to rupees 2,593 plus rupees 4,398. Got it? This is the solution. Total sale. So let us add these numbers together. What is 3 plus 8? Here you can see 4 digits are there. So this number should be 4-digit number. So 2,593 plus 4398. So this is ones column, tens column, hundreds column and thousands column. Let us add these numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 9 is 90. Again 1 is carried forward to the next column. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. There is no carry. Then last thousands column, 2 plus 4 is 6. So what is the total sale in that shop? That is 6,991 rupees. So write thus the total sale in the 2 weeks was this amount. Understood? Rupees 6,991. Got it? So easy. Okay, next. Students, all of you take page number 34, exercise 3.5, multiple choice questions. A milk van supplied 4,357 bottles and 3,256 bottles of milk in 2 booths. How many total number of bottles of milk did the van supply? For this, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers, 4,357 and 3,256. If you add, then you will get the answer. So students, find the answer. This is homework. These 3 questions are homework. Please do this. Okay. So let us do question number 2. A soap factory produced 3,251, 2,456 and 2,378 soap cakes in 3 days. How many soap cakes were produced in all the 3 days? Let us do this question. Question number 2. Here is the question. ये question के लिए हम पहले क्या करना है? पहले हम एक question अच्छा सा read करना है. That is our first step. So read it. A soap factory produced 3,251, 2,456 and 2,378 soap cakes in 3 days. How many soap cakes produced in all the 3 days? So what we have to do? We have to add these 3 numbers. If you add these 3 numbers, then you will get the answer. Students, इधर हमको ये आंसर फाइंड करने के लिए टोटल कितना स्टेप है? 5 steps are there. कौन सा स्टेप है? First step is we have to read the question carefully, and second step is total number of soap produced in first day, that is 3,251. Then next step is total number of soap produced in second day, that is 2,456. And next step is total number of, this is fourth step, total number of soap produced in third day, that is 2,378. So what is our last step? That is how many soap cake produced in all the 3 days. So our last step is total soap produced in all 3 days. That is 3,251 plus 2,456 plus 2,378. Got it? So write total soap cakes produced. Total soap produced in all the 3 days. That is equal to 3,251 plus 2,456 plus 2,378. So for this, we have to add these 3 numbers. Students, let us find the answer. For finding, add these 3 numbers, 3,250 1 plus 2456 plus 2378. Add these three numbers. Here 4-digit numbers, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands column. Let us add first ones column. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8, 15. 1 is carried forward to the next column. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. Write 8 here and 1 is carried forward to the next column, that is hundreds column. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Again 1 is carried forward to the next column, that is thousands column. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8085. So total soap produced in all the 3 days is equal to 8085. Got it? Okay. Students, if you are getting any doubt or if you have any doubt, just you can contact me by WhatsApp. So let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home. Stay safe.